Hello everybody, Ed McGinty, immigration attorney, and today I want to talk to you about who's qualified to get a green card. So there's basically two categories of people, right? There's a category of people who gets their green card right away. As soon as their petition is filed for a green card and it's processed, they get their green card. And then there's the second category, people that have to wait on a long, crappy line. So first, we'll talk about people who get their green card right away, and that's limited to the category of spouses, children, and parents of a U.S. citizen. Now, with spouses, and I will remind you, it now includes same-sex spouses. If a citizen marries a non-citizen, they can petition that person for a green card, and then assuming that everything goes well at the green card interview, which you will have to prove that it is a valid marriage, it wasn't a fraudulent marriage, which I have plenty of information about that on my website and my green card portal, they get a green card. Now, second is children of U.S. citizens. Okay, so any child under 21 of a U.S. citizen parent gets a green card right away as soon as their petition is processed. Now, I will also include that would include stepchildren. Okay, stepchildren are special circumstances. Now, the stepchild, if a citizen step-parent married that stepchild's biological parent before that stepchild was 18 years old, and there's proof that the citizen step-parent took care of that stepchild, that child qualifies for a green card. Also, adopted children of U.S. citizen parents. Now, the adopted child had to have been adopted by the time they were 16, and there has to be proof that the adoptive citizen parent took care of that adoptive child. Okay, and then parents of U.S. citizens. Any U.S. citizen who's above the age of 21 can sponsor their parents to come in immediately. Put in the petition. It gets processed, parent gets the green card right. Now for the rest of you. If I haven't called your category out by name, right this way, let me show you to a long, crappy line, okay? So there's basically there's 4 or 5 categories, depending on how you want to look at it, okay? For the family-based categories, it's F1, F2A, F2B, F3, and F4, okay? So we'll start with F1, which is the shortest line, and then F4, which is the crappiest, longest line. For F1, that would be, now, as far as the wait times are concerned, I just want to let you know that if you go to the Other Services tab on my website, that shows you there's a link there that will take you to a website from the State Department or the USCIS that tells you all the wait times for the category you're in. Like, let's say you're an F4, right? And you can go there and it'll tell you what the wait list is for F4 and for you and for what country you're from, okay? So you can look for it that way. So we'll go down the list of those who wait. So first, F1 is children over 21 of a U.S. citizen parent, okay? That's the shortest line. F2A, which is a spouse and a child under 21 of a green card holder parent. Okay, now we're getting to the green card holders who they can sponsor. F2B is unmarried children over 21 of a green card holder parent, okay? And then F4 is married people of any age of a U.S. citizen parent, okay? And then F4 is siblings of a citizen who is over 21, and that is usually a long list. You're talking 10 years or more. Again, you can go to that link and it'll tell you exactly how long. So that pretty much wraps up the family-based categories of who qualifies to file for a green card. Now, also, your employer can sponsor you for a green card. If you're here on an H-1B or some other type of work visa, your employer can sponsor you for a green card. And again, there's there's basically 5 different categories of wait lists as far as how long you're going to be waiting to actually get this green card. So treat your boss friendly. Make sure you do that, okay? And as far as getting into the, certain types of occupations are in higher demand, so they get a green card faster than, occupations that aren't as in high demand or hasn't been, legislated that we want these people in here or not. If you go to my work visa tab on my website, I explain this in more detail, but generally, your employer, if you're here on a work visa, your employer pretty much, in a lot of cases, can sponsor you for a green card. And a way to get around all this is you could apply for the green card lottery. I actually know people who have won the green card lottery and got their green card through that means. They can only say no, right? So you can always do that. I got a link in my green card tab that shows you, how to apply for the green card lottery. So that basically handles all of the categories of people who can file for a green card. And I hope this has been educational for you. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day. Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed my video. I hope it was helpful. And I just wanted to let you know that if you're on my YouTube channel, all my contact information is right below. And that I have offices in New Jersey and New York City. So if you're from that area, come on down. I'd love to have a consultation with you, a free consultation. And also, I just wanted to let you know that immigration law is federal, which means I can practice in all 50 states. So if you'd like to have a free consultation, we can do it over the phone. We can have a Skype conference, a video conference of some sort. I can also refer you to a local attorney in your area. I have deals worked out with attorneys in most states, so feel free to take advantage of that. Also, if you wanted to hire me in, say, California, you're from California, you can hire me. I could do everything but the court appearance. I have deals worked out with those same local attorneys, and they could handle all of the court appearances or interviews. So I hope to hear from you soon, and have a nice day.